Have you ever wondered how to create separate spreadsheet files from your master spreadsheet here? And that separate spreadsheet file is grouped by certain columns. So for example, here I've got a category column, column C, and I've got different categories, and I want to be able to create a separate spreadsheet file based on whatever's in that category. Instead of having to do separate tabs here, I want a separate file. This is what you need to do. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. Now, what I'm going to show you is going to save you hours of time instead of you having to manually do it yourself, creating that separate spreadsheet file. This is what you do. Find your main data. So my main data is here on this hardware tech tab. Highlight anywhere where there's data on that tab. And then what you do, we're going to be adding some VBA code to help us. On your keyboard, hold down Alt and press F11, and that will open up the VBA Visual Basic Editor within Excel. And then on the left, just check that you've got the right worksheet highlighted. So my worksheet is a sheet 8, Hardware Tech 3, and you can see the other tabs I created in my previous video. If you wanted to see that video, please check it out. It's on my channel. What we're going to do is hover over this main canvas screen here, and what I'm going to do is paste the code. I've already got this code, and what I will be doing is I will be sharing this code with you in the comments as a file for you to download and use yourself. So what essentially this code is, this is VBA code, and what this code does, it checks the spreadsheet in that hardware tech sheet, it checks it for the category, and it will group everything based on that specific category. And once it's found all the matching rows based on that one category, it will create a separate spreadsheet file with that bit of information in there, and it will save that spreadsheet as what the category name is. And it will repeat the process until it's completed the process for all the categories. That's essentially what the code is showing. It seems like a lot of code, but that's what it's essentially there to do. Once you've done that, save your spreadsheet, or this here. Okay. The other thing you need to do is switch over to your Excel file here and make sure this spreadsheet is saved as a macro enabled spreadsheet. So you go to File, go to Save As, find your area, and in there make sure it's in this Save As type, you've got Excel macro enabled workbook checked, and then just click on Save. Click on OK if you've already got one, and it will go back to your spreadsheet. At the bottom in the tab, go back to your Visual Basic Editor here where you've got your code, and now we are ready to run our code. To run your code, you can run your code a few ways. You can run this process a few ways. You can either go to run at the top, click on run, or what I like to do is just press F5. And what it's doing now, it's going away, it's creating all those separate spreadsheet files. Think about you previously, if you didn't know how to do this, you would have to do this manually yourself, creating the file, filtering the information, copying and pasting the information into that file and saving that file as what the category is. It's done its task, it's saved, and now what we do is find where those spreadsheet files are saved to. You should get a message here pop up any second soon. So here we go. All those files are now created. So just double click on one. Just ignore that. There you go. The category spreadsheet has been created successfully. Click on OK, and it's opening up my individual file. So here we go. That individual file has been created there. So everything which is in relation to the health tech category has been attached to this file. And that's just a very quick, simple, easy video showing you Using this VBA code, I was able to generate those separate files in bulk automatically in Excel and VBA. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share.